So hello everyone, good afternoon. So my team is going to represent about Virtusa IT Excellence in Adani Group, and Virtusa will be explained by Neha.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। सो वर्चुसा पे किसने काम किया है पहले बताओ। किसने काम किया हुआ है वर्चुसा पे? ओके, सो बेसिकली वर्चुसा was founded in 1996 by Krishna A, and he was from Sri Lanka, Colombo, and the headquarters is in Southburg, USA, and so basically when we talk about Virtusa, so कोई भी IT, it is basically into IT services, IT consultancy, and when we pitch up candidates for Virtusa, basically ये रहता है कि हमको बेसिक नॉलेज होनी चाहिए कि what they are providing services क्या है उनकी, वो किस सेक्टर्स में काम करते हैं। तो मैंने ऐड किया है कि कुछ किस सेक्टर्स में काम करते हैं वो। Yeah. So they have 10,000 plus employees. They are servicing provided like consultancy and design, digital engineering, cloud transformation, microservices. This is for your basic information. कि कभी ऐसा L&T is very big company, but Virtusa उससे थोड़ी सी small है. So अगर किसी को नहीं पता है Virtusa के बारे में, so these are the basic thing that you can tell कि उनकी कंपनी साइज कितनी है, कौन सी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करती है. Then they are having presence in 15 plus countries, and then उनके ऑफिसेस कहाँ है, इंडिया में हेडक्वार्टर है आई थिंक बैंगलोर में, एंड इंडिया में पैन इंडिया में वो लोग काम करते हैं. एंड व्हेन वी पिच कैंडिडेट्स फॉर दी जॉब्स फॉर एग्जांपल, वहाँ पे बहुत सारी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हमारे पास आई है, जावा है, एंगुलर है, रिएक्ट जैसे, बट मेनली हमारे पास वर्चुसा से आती थी वेरी नो पैगा करके, पैगा डेवलपर. सो उसमें बहुत सारे पैगा सी एस है, पैगा एल एस है, पैगा सी डबल एस है. सो दिस रिक्वायरमेंट वॉज वेरी नीश. सो उसमें बहुत सारी कंपनियों से काम करते हैं. तो उसमें अगर वर्चुसा में अगर पिच करना है तो इट वॉज कि हम कैसे पिच कर सकते हैं. कैंडिडेट को बोलना है कि वहाँ पे वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस है, लेकिन या हाइब्रिड वर्किंग है, वर्क फ्रॉम होम है, दैट इज ओनली प्रोवाइडेड बाय HR. एंड सेकेंड थिंग ये है कि व्हेन वी आर पिचिंग कैंडिडेट फॉर वर्चुसा, मेक श्योर कि क्योंकि ऐसे केसेस आए हैं वहाँ पे बैकग्राउंड चेक्स, एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन बहुत ज़्यादा देखते हैं. हमारे पास आई गेस 2 केसेस ऐसे भी थे कि आफ्टर द जॉइनिंग उनके डॉक्यूमेंट्स में इशू थे. सो उनको 90 डेज के पहले भी दे हैव मतलब उनको रेजिग्नेशन देना पड़ता था. सो ये चीज़ देखने जैसी है. एंड या बेसिकली उसमें एंड हाँ, बहुत सारी वर्चुसा में फेक कैंडिडेट्स को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए उन्होंने एक ये भी डाला था कि जैसे जावा की रिक्वायरमेंट है, .NET की है, तो पहले कैंडिडेट को टेस्ट देनी पड़ती थी. सो ये सारी है कि आपके नॉलेज के लिए व्हेन वी आर पिचिंग कैंडिडेट्स फॉर वर्चुसा. सो बेसिकली ये है. एंड सबको उसमें है. दैन सागरिका विल एक्सप्लेन.
starting on IT Excellence. IT Excellence is a type of consultancy like Osh. Okay.
mentioned IT excellence. So it is CEO or founder is Navin Jeshwar. Actually, it is provided different types of services, starting from Microsoft services they are providing and Oracle services, and these are the services they are providing. But starting from till October till now, I am working on these clients. But most of the mandates we are getting on Oracle side, like Oracle. So in IT excellence, we are getting many of the clients are in them, but we are mostly work on these clients like Infosys or Algis and Sexport. These clients, these three clients we are working mostly. So it's Algis and Sexport and for this client, we are taking candidate from India to Saudi or Dubai location. So when we are pitching candidate for these clients, so one of the strong point we can say or pitch the candidate because nowadays every candidates or everybody are keen for on-site opportunity, right. So when you are pitch candidate, we can say this is an on-site opportunity and they are providing many of the facilities like accommodation and international transportation. These are the facilities they are providing. So they are providing accommodation along with they are providing starting from their onboarding to their visa completion. They are providing transportation expenses. That you can say this point to the candidate and this to Saudi and Dubai. That's it. The next slide is getting the Neha and Faran.
Okay, so now we will start with Adani Group. So first of all, I would like to give you some basic information for Adani. This slide. Okay, so Adani Group is an Indian multinational company and it's founded in 1988 and headquarters is in Santigram, Ahmedabad and founder name is Gautam Adani. Next. And various verticals is like Adani Enterprise, Adani Green Energy, Adani Ports and Adani Transmission, Adani Total Gas and Adani Power and Adani Wilmar. And also we will work on like Adani Airport, Adani Oil and Gas.
So I think after सबने अडानी पे काम किया हुआ है and when we work there are a lot of questions by them whether it is from Ahmedabad itself or whether it is for relocation. So what we'll be doing, we'll be understanding the USPs along with these questions. So जब हम बात करते हैं candidates से तो we can convince them or if there is any other obstacle, so I assume through this those obstacles can be solved. So most common questions जो मैंने हम सब ने काम किया है, so one of them is accommodation provide होगा या नहीं, whether it is relocation. Second would be with relocation और कौन से benefits मिलते हैं. फिर is it a listed entity or not? This comes in when if a candidate is from a very good organization where it is listed. So one of the major aspects that they keep in mind before coming to Adani is whether it is listed or not, because there are some situations where if it is not listed, you tell them all the benefits, they still don't come. Then what is the percentage of hike given? This is very important for the relocation part. If you give them just a 30% hike, उनके लिए वो बहुत difficult हो जाता है. Next slide please. So now along with these questions, we'll understand the USP. So as the first question was whether accommodation will be provided or not, it will be provided, but then what happens is that it can be for a month or it can be more than that. Now that also will depend on the interview, the details would be given at that period of time. And along with that, they also help with the accommodation so that they can settle here because they could be going to a new city altogether. Then we come to the listed entity because even if you're giving them a good hike, you are giving them all the benefits, you are also agreeing that it would be the notice period, but still if it is not listed, then that would become really difficult. And so then they have also started with another program, which was the Anubhav program, which is for basically into the leadership roles. And in this, what happens is that they have given various facilities. It can be pickup facility, house search assistance, school assistance, weekend getaway, utilities, and job search for the spouse. Now in this also there are various categories. This is for the platinum one, there is gold and silver, and depending upon the categories, all the facilities would also differ. Then along with this, for the hike part, like as I mentioned, so we can try for 40% hike, but then we have to be very clear with our words, because then it can create a problem in the joining process. Then, as we all know that Adani is into various fields, they are into infrastructure, they are into transmissions, but along with all the business, while I was searching through Adani, I had got these 2 points which I felt was really good. So first was in 2018, Adani Power Limited had sealed a deal for 6,000 crores, and which was just in 4 days, and it was to acquire UBP Power Corporation Limited. Now, as it is into business also, it also means that along with that, they have also given the 3% of their earning to the Adani school which they have, which is for Adani Vidya Mandir School, and they also provide free education, they provide free healthcare to all the people who will not afford.